Hi friends, welcome to Swati Surbhi Astro. Hope you all are doing well nowadays. Today in this video, we would be discussing about the 2025 predictions for the Sagittarius zodiac sign natives. Now, Sagittarians are known for their optimism, for their liveliness, for their friendly nature, and for their thirst for knowledge. In general, 2025 seems to be a very interesting year for the Sagittarius people. In this year, you can be required to make good use of your abilities and also of your hidden talents. This is a year which can make you shoulder some very important responsibilities, both in your career as well as on the domestic front. This is also the year which can lead to a change in your thinking pattern, and you can become much more adaptable and flexible by the end of this year. Now, in this video, I have divided the year 2025 into three significant time periods depending upon the major planetary transits of Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. So as we proceed ahead in this video, I would be telling you what all you can expect in each of these three periods and also what all can be done by you to make the most of these three periods so that 2025 can become a much better year for you. Hence, please do watch this video till the end to gain the maximum information from it. Now for the first period beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your 6th house, Saturn would be present in your 3rd house, Rahu would be present in your 4th house and Ketu would be present in your 10th house. On the career front, this seems to be a slightly challenging time for you. You can feel frustrated in your present job. You can lack the support and cooperation of your colleagues in this period. You can also lack the energy to work extremely hard towards the betterment of your career in this period. However, this is a good period for you if you want to change your job, as you can be successful in changing your job in this duration. On the financial front, this seems to be a good time for you. You can gain financially with the help of the other members of your family in this period. There can be a rise in your savings and a reduction in your overall expenses in this period. On the marital front, this seems to be an average time for you. There can be disputes and quarrels between the members of your family in this period. You can be required to shoulder more responsibilities on the home front in this duration. You can also stay mentally stressed due to this. On the health front, this again seems to be a slightly challenging time for you, as there can be frequent problems both in your stomach and also in your legs in this duration. Now for the second period beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025. For majority of this period, Jupiter would be present in your 6th house, Saturn would be present in your 4th house, Rahu would be present in your 4th house and Ketu would be present in your 10th house. On the career front, this seems to be a very challenging time for you, as there can be problems created by others for you at your place of work. You can face unnecessary blames in this period. You can feel like taking a break from work in this duration. However, this is a good time for those of you who are working abroad and even for those of you who want to travel abroad, as your wish of traveling abroad can get fulfilled in this period. On the financial front, this seems to be an average time for you. There can be stable flow of finances for you in this period. You can invest wisely in this duration. However, there can be slower growth of your earnings in this period, and you may not be satisfied with your earnings at all in this period. On the marital front, this can be a challenging time for you. You may not get the desired support of your spouse in this period. Your spouse may not be ready to cooperate so much with you in this duration. You can be required to work more at your home rather than at your place of work, and this can cause you distress. You can also be required to take better care of your children in this duration. It can become a tough task for you to manage your time well in this duration. On the health front too, you need to be careful in this period, because there can be frequent problems in your lungs or in your chest, and also there can be frequent cough and cold for you in this duration. Now for the third period beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your 7th house, Saturn would be present in your 4th house, Rahu would be present in your 3rd house and Ketu would be present in your 9th house. On the career front, this can be a better time for you, especially if you are doing any kind of business. Now, this is also a better time for you to start some work of your own or to start some business of your own. In case you are already employed somewhere in a job, then you can be required to work harder in this period. There can be a decline in your overall career happiness in this period, and you may feel confused with regard to your career in this duration. On the financial front, this can be a good time for you. There can be a rise in your own earnings primarily through your own efforts in this duration. Your business can become profitable in this period. You can feel satisfied and happy on the financial front in this period. On the marital front, this seems to be a better time for you again. You can experience marital peace and harmony in this period. Your spouse could feel grateful towards you. Your child could also perform well in his or her work in this period. On the health front, this again seems to be a good time for you, as your physical health can improve a lot in this period. Mentally also, you can feel happier, you can feel energetic, and you can feel more active and confident about yourself in this period. Now, remedies for the Sagittarius people. So for the first period beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025, in this period you should wear black colored clothes every Saturday, but you should also avoid wearing black colored clothes on the other days of the week. You should chant the Vedic mantra of Jupiter every Thursday, and you should also visit the Hanuman temple every day and should pray to Lord Hanuman with full devotion. Now, in the second period, beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025, in this period, you should avoid taking too much mental stress. You should also avoid overthinking in this period. You should have faith in God in this period. You should daily exercise, or preferably you should go for a morning walk in this period. You should also try serving your parents, gurus, and older people in this period. Now, for the third period, starting from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025, in this period, you should wear a silver ornament, like you can wear a necklace made of silver around your neck in this period. You should also discard the non-functional electronic items in your home, or you should try to make them functional in case you are unable to discard them. And you should also worship Lord Ganesha with full devotion in this period. Okay friends, so this was all in this video. I hope you all liked this video. If you all liked it and gained even some little knowledge through this video, then please do share it with your friends and with the other members of your family. And please do subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Swati Surbhi Astro, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of our videos on time. I would keep putting in more efforts to bring in more such interesting videos for you in the future as well. Thank you.